Now we're going to go on to part 2 of today's activity. We've discussed the differences between vector and raster-based images, and now let's practice kind of recognizing the difference. So you'll see in part 2a, what you're going to be asked to do is to basically take these little logos and label which one of the sets of images represents a vector-based image and which one represents a raster-based image. If you've forgotten what the definitions are, I've provided them for you right here just as a reference. In order to do this, all you have to do is make sure you are selected on this first tool. It is called the selection tool. It lets you move things around. So let's say I think that this first pencil is a vector. I'm just going to drag that right on top. Okay? I think the other pencil is a raster. I'm going to drag that. I'm going to repeat that for each set of images. When I'm done, I'm going to go to part 2b, where I'm simply going to arrange all these little pieces, all these little vectors, so that they appear like this flyer right here. Look at the arrangement where things are located. To move things around, make sure again you're on this first tool. You can simply click and drag where you want things to be arranged. Okay, I didn't resize or rotate anything, so it's just about moving it in the right location. If you happen to finish early and you want to get creative, try making copies of objects or resizing them and making this flyer your own. When you've completed this, please save and upload this file to Google Classroom, and don't forget to hit turn it in.